Hi and good morning. I'm waking up today to some dewy skin, and that's because last night I did my double mask routine. This is a routine that anybody can do with any skin type because my skin has rosacea, high sensitivity to products, which would mean that I have extreme redness as a response, and also I have breakout prone skin. So what I want to do is weekly or every other week do a pore treatment, and this is how I do it with my double masking. So we're gonna go back in time and we're gonna show you what I did last night. We're gonna go into the bathroom and backwards into what happened last night. Here we are in the bathroom. I have all of the products and things needed ready to go on the counter. Starting with washing my face with a gentle face wash. The one I love is Aquanel. It's extremely gentle and allows for a full face massage and cleanse. Using a washcloth or a flannel with lukewarm water, I gently remove any makeup from my face. Look at that. It really works at removing water-based cosmetics. Then I take a cotton towel to press against the face until the moisture is removed. I want my face to be dry before the next step. One of the options is Pacifica Kale Juice Cleanse. It's an alpha hydroxy surface mask. This mask is a gel texture and it is so gentle. It will not irritate your skin if your skin is really sensitive. It's really one of my favorite alpha hydroxy masks. Today I'm going to instead use the ordinary glycolic acid. It is a toning solution that has 7% glycol. I'm going to take a cotton pad and apply that to my face. Now this is something that you can use overnight on your skin, but because my skin is so sensitive and you'll see it's going to turn red, it absolutely is something you can just use for a few minutes as a mask to loosen all your pores, loosen all the gunk in your pores. One of the greatest things about glycolic is it's water soluble and it really helps speed up cell turnover. It also goes into your pores and releases any dead skin or clogged pores. It's just really amazing at also helping your skin produce more collagen, which makes your skin more firm, plump, elastic. It's just a really awesome product to use to help clear your skin. It's a bit tingly, it's strong, and I can feel the tingles on my skin at the moment. So I'm going to just leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm setting my timer. The time is up and my skin is definitely tingly and has turned a bit pink, red. And I'm using that same cotton flannel with some lukewarm water just to make sure I remove all of the glycolic from my skin. And I'm doing this extremely gently because right now my skin is very sensitive from the solution. Now I have two options for the second mask. One is this French green clay. It's a natural exfoliant and it gently removes dead skin cells from the skin. It really helps to naturally exfoliate the skin layer. It increases circulation and leaves your skin looking and feeling soft and moisturized. The second mask I have is my ground oatmeal mask that I absolutely love and I keep on hand just in case if I have a breakout or have a sensitive skin reaction. So we're going to do the green mask on one side of my face, and what you do is just put about 1.5 tablespoons of the clay and add some water until it makes just a nice mixture that's blended together. And I'm adding this to my left side of my face and just massage it in really gently. I'm going to take about 1.5 tablespoons of the oatmeal mixture and add some water until that is a nice little paste, and add that to the right side of my face. I don't normally split masks. I just wanted to show you the difference between the two. We're going to give that a good 10 minutes to set. While the mask is setting, I'm going to show you really quickly how I make my dry oats. I just take about 1/4 of a cup and put it into my blender and let that grind and mix together. And you just want to make sure the texture is really even. Okay, back to the mask. I can feel everything tightening. I cannot possibly smile or my face will crack. 10 minutes are up and I'm just checking everything. You can see everything's really dry. There's a couple spots that are still wet on my nose where I put extra. And I'm using my cloth again with some lukewarm water to really gently remove the mask. And And once all the mask has been removed, I'm just gently pressing my skin dry with that towel. And one thing, I don't know if you can see, but on my right side of my face where the oatmeal was, my redness is a little bit less. You can see a line down my forehead actually. And on my left side, the green clay mask, it's just still a bit red. And that's from the alpha hydroxy. You can just tell how powerful oatmeal is at reducing redness and irritation. All in all, both masks work really, really well, and my skin is extremely soft and smooth. It just feels so even toned and exfoliated. Now I did this at nighttime, and I'm going to do my skincare routine for night, which is add on my eye cream. This Nordic Sea eye cream is one of my favorites. It helps reduce any darkness under your eyes. And I like to just add that really gently underneath my eyes, especially because I just masked. I'm being very careful with my skin at the moment. And the next step I'm going to do is the Vichy Mineral 89. It's a hyaluronic acid face serum. It is so gentle, no perfumes, no dyes. And it will just add a really, really gentle protective layer onto my skin after I just did that masking. My skin is feeling so good, and I'm ready to go to bed and wake up in the morning with glowing, happy skin.